I was fishing with Captain Jimmy Nelson, Captain Brett Norris, and Rob Chapman of Outdoors 360 in Tampa, Florida.
We moved to another spot that was kind of by a road, and me, Rob, and Louisa were standing on the front of the boat, and we were just kind of casting out there with the three of us on the front of the boat because the captain said just cast as far as you can towards the road, so we did that. It was clear water, but we couldn't see what was happening there, and all of a sudden I felt a tap, tap, tap on my line, and I'm hooked up with the fish, and then next thing I know, Louisa right behind me hooks up another one. And that double that we got when we first got there was actually the smallest two fish of the day.
I think we found the spot. Rob, where's yours? As soon as Captain Jimmy casts, he hooks up, and literally like 2 seconds later, I hook up too. So that was pretty cool that me and him caught two snook. Actually, probably the smallest snook we've ever seen, but we hooked up and it was a lot of fun.
Even the smaller fish are fun to catch because they do just like the bigger ones. They jump all over the place, they slash back and forth, and they kind of don't give up all the way in.
We were fishing for snook and it did not take long for them to start biting. We did not have to go that far to catch them. I was very surprised with the amount of snook there in the area right now.
After we got those snook in the boat and showed them off, we got those guys released and we casted back out for another one.
What I was using to catch the snook in that area was a white bait, a 3/0 Mustad J hook, and I was using my Spheros 5000 by Shimano. As soon as we released the snook double, it did not take long at all to catch another snook. I cast it the same area where I caught the last one, and 2 seconds later, I hooked up.
It actually fooled her at first. She thought she had a bigger fish than she did, but it was just because it was a really tough fish and it was pulling some drag, and we got it close to the boat and landed the fish. There he is. Good job.
Nice
Got that
one.
mustad hook right in the corner of his mouth.
Yep.
Well done. You want to pop that out for me?
Got it out.
Show him here.
Very nice one. They keep getting bigger, so that's really good.
Oh yeah. You want to let him go?
Yep, let's let him go.
Okay.
I was very surprised with the amount of snook there in the area. I absolutely love catching them, and we were catching one after another all day long. It was a great time with everybody, and I can't wait to do it again. About to release this guy so you can catch him later. There you go. Took off like nothing happened. Let's catch another one.
Monster sharks.
Come on.
That didn't work.
You got him?
No, he's off.
Sure?
Yeah. Crazy. I didn't have good enough leverage. I like.
There you go.
I gotta get to the front.
Maybe give him a little. You got him. He'll get tired. Yeah.
But get back to the boat.
Good size. Good size. Can you move that thing and stand up? No.
Fine, what?
Can you move that thing and stand up?
No.
Alright, here's the thing all over the full size.
Yeah, no. I can't fix it.
Do a little less drag. A little less drag. A little less drag. There you go. That's far. No, not far. I got the rod up here. That shark got yellow.
That's crazy.
He's off?
Yes, he's
Real?
oh my god, that's crazy.
Gone?
Yeah.
Hey,
That's like Jurassic
he got
Park.
eaten by like a 8.
Oh no.
Go, real.
What do you want to do?
No, you're good. Put some heat on. He's right here. He's going under. Get ready, he's gonna go nuts. Here he comes. Oh, he's gonna eat him. He's gonna eat him by the other shark. Oh my god, he ate him.
Oh, I lost it.
No. Oh my god, he ate the shark. You ready?
I don't have it. I'm losing it.
I got you. Alright, here you go. We are standing up. Look at the size of those sharks. Look at that, boy.
Oh my god.
Real.
Oh my god.
You lost? That was it. The sharks ate the sharks, man.
Just trying to get my breath. I'm really scared.
It was really super intense. Really super intense. It was really super intense and really saw a lot of action and lost my footing, and it was just a really quick fight, but at the same time really cool. I almost went over a couple times, and I saw another shark eat another shark. Crazy. We just had a huge shark hit our bent butt line, and we had to chunk a bonita out, and he just took a screaming run, took a whole bunch of line. So now I gotta fight him and try to get this line back and check out how big this shark is. Take your mind still. Not stopping. Alright, so this shark is getting super close to the boat. I've gained a bunch of line back, and he looks like he's straight down below the boat. He's putting up a great fight. And he's wearing me out, so you better get to the boat soon. Right here, I got colors. Oh my god. Oh
Watch my line.
You're good. Still fighting this big old shark. He almost took me under the boat, and I had to lift up this rod and maneuver him so he didn't cut me off. I got him up close to the boat once, and then he took off again. Really strong shark. I hope this battle ends soon. Ooh, he's straight down. Right here under the boat. Alright, so I can't get this shark up. He surfaced once and he went back down deep, and he's kind of just right below the boat, just chilling, because he's a shark. And so we're gonna put some more heat on him right now and tighten our drag so we can get him to the boat. But we run the risk of breaking the line. But that's what you gotta do with fishing, take risks and see if you can get the monster shark to the boat. Oh my god! Check it out! Huge shark! She is a huge bull, or a reef shark. She's gotta be at least 8 foot long. She comes again. Wow!
Do I grab this? No, we'll get that fire.
Do what?
I don't really want you to.
drop it and let her go until you feel its paws at the bottom. First drop in the morning, light tackle spinning rods, dead bait. Not bad. Peter might have something a little bigger. He takes it easy. We got color up there for Peter. This one's nice. We have to get some. Whoa! And we're good. Good release. There you go, girl. Oh, get back.
Get on it. Oh my, what's going on over there?
Peter, she needs help. Use this to put your legs right up to, and you can lean down and pull back. Use your back.
First fish right in the jaw. Come on in, get a photo.
Touch him. Lean over.
Let it sit for a second.
Pull, pull it.
No.
Got it.
Yeah,
you got it. There you go. Got one. Go, girl. We just came offshore a few miles. Put a couple dead baits down. Second drop, second fish for all of us. Nice little day. Catching some snapper on light tackle near shore.
Look at her. She ain't letting this fish get the best of her.
Oh, nice one.
Yep. Bring that rod tip right over to me. Bring the tip. There you go. You want to talk about it? What we just do here? What happened to you?
Caught my second fish of the day.
Yeah? Was it
Yeah.
easy or what?
Super hard to pull it up, but I got it.
How long did it take?
Hard. About like 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes? How long did it take for it to eat the bait once it got down there?
Well, I rolled it down in about a minute or two.
Yeah? Got straight up hammered. Girl's doing good. First time out.
Thank you.
Catching some good fish. Let's go get another one. I don't think we need a photo.
Solid fish down there. This is 5 drops in a row. It won't stop. Everyone, some dead bait, 80 feet of water. A few spinning rods. You can use these for red fishing. And then come out here and land some of these red snapper.
They get blown up.
All right, here we go. Oh, Daddy came to town.
Well, we decided to take our quick little trip on out here. First spot. Ended up finding a absolute swarm of these red snappers. Caught enough of them, so we're gonna let this guy go. Head to the next spot in hopes of finding a few variety of fish out here. Stay with us.